MaxxForce 7 International. We're just doing a regen because you see the sit low is 66%. We had a engine code DPF diesel particulate filter sit load at the lowest level, but it's enough to cause the engine code came up this morning. So this is the maintenance thing. We're just going to regen these, well, anything with emissions on it. It seems like these internationals, the DTs, the MaxxForce, and the 7s, the V8s, you gotta keep on them. Keep the system regen. So this will take about half an hour and be cleaned up. Till the next time. You can smell real pungent odor coming out of the soot. Smells bad, man. That soot's pretty raw. And of course, I do want the DPF to be plugged on. Just like sticking a banana in the tailpipe. And these run about $2,000 a pop. If you try and clean them, they don't come clean, and it's scrap metal. If they don't clean properly, there's nothing to recycle them. But yeah, a couple thousand in our part of the country to replace. So if we regen them and keep on top of them, keep them healthy, they'll last longer. If they get plugged up, they overheat and then they break apart.